Hello, writers! It's so good to see you today. Today, we are going to learn about the life cycle of our animal. What does that even mean? I don't know. Let's see. Life. Okay. How is it born? What happens after it's born? And what does it look like when it grows up? Maybe how long does it live? So, a cycle goes around. So, you have to figure out, how is your animal born? Does it come from an egg? Or does it come from its mom's belly? Or does it come from somewhere else? Then you have to think about, what does your animal look like as it grows up? What is it called when it's first born? Is it called a duckling? Or a kitten? Or something else? You have to try to figure that out. And then it grows into an adult. And then how long does it live for? Maybe 10 years? 25? So you have to learn all about your animal's life cycle. I want you to see how I use Pebble Go to help me learn about my animal's life cycle. Okay, I'm in Pebble Go and I'm on the Life Cycle tab. Instead of listening to it being read to me, I'm going to read it myself. Coatis give birth in trees. The female builds a nest. She has 2 to 7 babies. Females and babies live in groups. Adult males live alone. Wild coatis can live up to 15 years. Let's see, what did I learn about the life cycle of a coati? Well, it has its babies in trees. It builds a nest. It can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 babies. That's a lot. These animals like to live in groups. The male, which is the boy, lives alone. That's kind of sad. This animal can live for 15 years. All right, now I have to take that information and write it in my book. I learned so much about the life cycle of a coati. I want to make sure I include all of that information. So let's see. Coatis have babies. I'm going to use Pebble Go to help me spell babies. In trees. They does not have an A. They make a nest and have 2 to 7 babies. Let's see. Moms live with their, I'm using Pebble Go to help me spell that word, with their babies. Dads live alone. Dads live alone. coatis can live for 15 years. I'm going to use Pebble Go to help me spell years. Okay, writers, guess what? You get to write about your animal's life cycle today. I hope you find out so many interesting things about your animal and how it grows up and how long it lives. Can't wait to read your writing, writers. See you soon. Happy writing!